The Sony Xperia VIII 5G 2026 is not just another flagship smartphone, it's a masterpiece built for creators, gamers, and true tech enthusiasts. If you love cinematic displays, professional-grade cameras, and premium craftsmanship, this device might just be your dream phone. Let's start with the design. Sony continues its legacy of sleek and minimal aesthetics. The Xperia VIII features a tall and elegant body with a refined aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass protection on both sides. It feels ultra-premium in hand, slim yet solid, and carries that signature Sony identity that stands out in a world of similar-looking smartphones. Now, the real magic begins with the display. Sony sticks to its iconic 6.5-inch 4K OLED panel with a 21:9 cinema-wide aspect ratio. This isn't just a screen, it's a cinematic experience. Watching Netflix, YouTube, or playing high-resolution games feels incredibly immersive. With a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR support, colors look natural, blacks are deep, and motion feels ultra-smooth. If you love movies or content creation, this display is on another level. Performance-wise, the Xperia VIII 5G is powered by the latest flagship chipset, paired with up to 16GB RAM and fast UFS storage. Multitasking is effortless, gaming is fluid, and heavy apps run without any lag. Whether you're editing 4K videos or playing graphics-intensive games, this phone handles everything like a beast. But Sony's real strength has always been cameras. The Xperia VIII comes with a triple-lens setup tuned with Sony Alpha technology. You get a versatile wide sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens with advanced optical zoom. What makes it special is the professional control. With Sony's Photography Pro and Videography Pro apps, you can manually adjust shutter speed, ISO, white balance, and focus, just like a real camera. The autofocus is lightning fast with real-time eye tracking, making portraits look stunning. Low-light shots are sharp, and 4K video recording delivers cinematic quality with incredible detail. Battery life is solid thanks to its 5000 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day with heavy usage. Fast charging and wireless charging support ensure you stay powered throughout the day. Sony also keeps features that many brands have removed, like the 3.5mm headphone jack and expandable storage. For audiophiles, the front-facing stereo speakers and high-resolution audio support deliver rich and immersive sound. Another highlight is the clean Android experience. No heavy bloatware, no unnecessary clutter, just smooth, near-stock Android optimized perfectly for Sony hardware. In 2026, while many smartphones focus only on flashy features, the Sony Xperia VIII 5G focuses on precision, creativity, and performance. It's not made for everyone, it's made for those who truly appreciate technology and content creation. If you want a phone that feels like a professional camera, a cinema screen, and a gaming console combined into one premium device, the Sony Xperia VIII 5G is absolutely worth considering. For your channel, Upcoming Smartphones Hub, this device is a perfect example of innovation meeting passion.